The currency market remains stagnant ahead of the publication of a bulk of important information that may shape the market sentiment. The Eurozone unemployment rate will hardly attract market participants since it may remain unchanged. Meanwhile, the Producer Price Index data is of great importance. The producer price growth may accelerate to 18.3% from 16% in the previous period. It means that the Eurozone inflation is likely to rise too. Notably, the European Central Bank is still considering its approach towards the current situation. It has already confused market participants by its unclear hints. Thus, the possibility of a further increase in inflation may disappoint traders. In fact, the PPI data is likely to determine the market sentiment since the unemployment claims figures are expected to be mixed. On the one hand, the number of first-time claims may climb by 46,000, thus discouraging traders. On the other hand, the number of contingent claims may drop by 49,000. In other words, the reports will offset each other. That's why investors are likely to pay zero attention to it. Let us take a look at the trading charts. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair was in slight demand, which allowed it to broaden the limits of the already existing range up to 1.1300 and 1.1355. The range remains intact. That's why traders may apply the strategy based on the ongoing impulse. Traders are likely to receive a signal after the price fixes beyond the limits of the range on the 4-hour chart. The pound-dollar pair once again dropped from the resistance level of 1.3350, thus boosting the volume of short positions. As the result, the price fixed below 1.3290, thus proving the bearish market sentiment. On the daily chart, the pound sterling is gradually falling. In the last 6 months, the currency has significantly depreciated. If the price fixes below 1.3290 on the 4-hour chart, it's highly likely to slide deeper. As a result, the pound-dollar pair may touch a new local low of 2021. The alternative scenario will become possible if the price resumes hovering within the sideways channel between 1.3290 and 1.3350. How is trading going to unfold in the short term? We will definitely tell you in our next video reviews. Don't miss them and stay up to date with the latest market news. See you!